Hey guys, in this video we're going to be going over LOORA AI versus ELSA Speak. So if you're looking to, improve your English with AI, we're going to compare these two powerful tools so you can pick the best one for your learning style. First up, let's actually start with ELSA Speak. So basically, this one, it gives you instant feedback, okay, on your speech using the AI trained, on real human speech, okay, and accents. So it understands non-native speakers really well. So it understands you and you'll get daily practice, progress tracking. You can get this on App Store, the Google Play Store, right? You get progress tracking, you get a curriculum tailored to your level, whatever your level is, right? And it's especially good, guys, if you want a clearer pronunciation for exams, work, or even everyday conversation. Now, let's talk about LOORA AI. What is LOORA AI? It's a more, 24 by 7 personal English tutor, right? It basically uses advanced large language models to simulate real life conversations, from job interviews to casual small talk. So the focus here is on fluency and confidence, not just pronunciation. So this one is mainly for pronunciation, trying to sound like native. This one is more for, fluency, confidence. So you're actually speaking the right thing. Okay? So you'll basically be chatting with LOORA about real topics and it adapts your level and goals, making each session feel personal and also practical. So both of these apps, guys, are available on the App Store and Google Play as well. So ELSA actually has a free version and a trial if you want to get our pricing. LOORA, well, it typically requires a subscription. Okay. So bottom line, choose ELSA if you want, a better pronunciation, focused pronunciation practice, structured lessons. Go for LOORA if you want you will talk your way through fluency through real-time AI-powered conversation. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. Let me know which one you'll be picking based on your needs. And as always, subscribe to Appier Solutions.